they think I am crazy. The people around me, they don't understand it. They don't know what it's like to see you from my eyes. They have never held you while you sleep at night. Never get to kiss you when you wake and smile. So they will never know. Was flowing lazy. There is luscious and the head feels hazy. I really don't care at all about who may see. They don't know what it's like to see you from my eyes. They have never held you while you sleep at night. Never get to kiss you when you wake and smile. So they will never. You got that name rock, you got that pretty smile, you got my chain locked. You're the only one with the key, you know that's hot. You never hold back, you tell it how it is. You always lay it down, even though it might offend. But you got a sweet side, you chill, never hype. You're my kind of girl, baby, that's what I like. You got me on a super high, take me on a wild ride, up and down your time zone. With Spring on the wild side, it's crazy cool, babe. You know I dig your vibe. Straight class with an educated kind of mind. You don't sway even if someone thinks you're blind. You stand up for issues that you think are
Does she know my innermost secrets? Measure of my heart, written in sequence. And the light from her spirit, it always shines. She's in my heart, but she got no time. How does she know? Will she take me for a ride? Do you believe we can find the answers in our mind? I've been waking up from dreams and who's to blame? There's no looking back on love, it's too late. How does she know my rhythm and frequency? The pulse of my breath reflecting like sequins. And the light from her spirit, it always shines. She's in my heart, but she got no time. How does she know? Will she take me for a ride? Do you believe we can find the answers in our mind? I've been waking up from dreams and who's to blame? There's no looking back on love, it's too late. How does she know? Will she take me for